What if I told you that one of the world's most impactful financial innovation didn't come from Wall Street or from Silicon Valley, but from right here in Kenya? This is a story of Mpesa, a mobile money platform that transformed daily life for millions. A system built not for luxury, but for necessity, not for the rich, but for the rural and the informal and the underserved. Back in 2007, most Kenyans didn't have a bank account. Banks were too far, too costly, or too intimidating. But nearly everyone had one thing, a mobile phone. That's where Safaricom, Kenya's largest telecommunication company, and Vodafone saw an opportunity. The idea to turn your SIM card into a bank account. Let people send, receive, and store money using just text messages. No internet, no smartphone, just simple mobile phones and human trust. Here's how it works. You walk to a local agent, often a corner shop or a kiosk, hand them some cash, and then load that value into your mobile phone as mobile money. From there, you can send it to anyone, anywhere, and instantly. And when your recipient gets the message, they walk to the nearest agent and cash out. It's fast, secure, and it changes everything. What started as a tool for simple money transfer soon became a platform for life. You can pay your electricity bill, buy groceries, pay school fees, get small loan, and receive your salary, all from the palm of your hand. For many, M-Pesa was the first interaction with the formal financial system, and it didn't require stepping into a bank. The success in Kenya sparked a movement. M-Pesa expanded to Tanzania, Mozambique, Ghana, South Africa, India, and beyond. Today, more than 50 million people use M-Pesa across 8 countries. It's one of the largest mobile money services in the world. In Kenya, over 90% of adults use M-Pesa. A study by MIT found out that it helped lift over 1 million people out of poverty, especially women and rural families. Every year, it processes more than 300 billion in transactions. That's more than Kenya's entire GDP. But behind the numbers are people. For a market trader in Kisumu, it means safer cash payment. For a farmer in Eldoret, it means getting paid faster, no middleman. For a student in Mombasa, it means parents can send school fees instantly. M-Pesa became a life, a way to earn, save, invest, and dream. In a world chasing flashy tech, M-Pesa is a reminder that innovation doesn't always need a code. Sometimes it needs understanding, a deep empathy for real-world problems, and a courage to solve them. M-Pesa didn't change how money moves, it changed how Africa moves. It showed the world that meaningful innovation can rise from the streets of Nairobi, not just from the towers of New York. And it all began with a simple, fun